Greetings from South Korea. It's Megan with Ayurveda Yoga Academy. I just wanted to stop by today and show you a quick and simple way that you can make mat wash that you can use before or after your practice. It'll help with things like mat odor. Let's get to it. While we're resting at home thanks to the coronavirus, I figured why not do something cool together? Let's make a simple mat wash. Here's the recipe.
You'll want a small spray bottle. Please pretend that it's empty. Wink, wink. This is witch hazel. I have unscented, but they also have lemon, lavender, etc. You'll want some filtered water and then essential oil of your choice. I really like sunshine spice. And this is a secret ingredient, bamboo salt. Only if you have it, throw some in.
So, let's go to it. Exciting. Let's see if I can pour without making a mess. I think that's a fourth. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. I'm gonna add my essential oils now. That's gonna be really strong. And now the water. Wish me luck, guys. I'm terrified. Can I do it? Ah! 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 Okay. That was scary. And then last one is just a pinch of the bamboo salt. Cool. Okay, so you can just put the lid on. Shake it up. I'm just curious about how it smells, so. Now that it's made, ta-dang, you're ready. All you need is a cloth, and then just roll out your mat. And just maybe shake it beforehand. So that's it. Now you've got a great smelling mat that you have ready for your next practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow, subscribe. We're going to keep posting videos like this on our channel, anything connected to a yogic lifestyle. If there's anything that you haven't seen yet that you'd like to see also, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email. Quick shout out to Miss Sheer in the USA. While she was in Korea teaching at the studio, she gave me some cool tips and got me started into the world of making mat wash. See you next time.